Hi there. Today we're talking about how to migrate your store to Magento 2. If you're still on Magento 1 or need to update your current Magento 2 setup, it's for you. We'll keep things simple, practical, and to the point. Let's get started with your migration journey. Why migrate to Magento 2? Magento 1 is no longer supported, which means no security updates, leaving your store vulnerable. Magento 2 offers significantly better performance, especially on mobile devices where most of your customers are shopping these days. You'll also get access to modern payment methods and shipping options that today's shoppers expect. Most importantly, your store will be ready for future growth. We've seen businesses that migrate experience faster loading times and increased sales, typically around 20 to 30% improvement in conversion rates. The effort definitely pays off in the long run. Let's break this down into 10 manageable steps that will guide you through the entire process. 1. Create a plan. Start with a clear migration plan. This should include your budget for the project, a realistic timeline with key deadlines, and assigned responsibilities for your team members. Think about what features you absolutely need in your new store versus what might be nice to have. Take time to review everything that needs to move over: your products, customer data, order history, and other content like blog posts or landing pages. A good plan now saves headaches later. 2. Backup everything. Before you start changing anything, create comprehensive backups of your current store. Make multiple copies of your data and store them in different locations, both on your servers and in cloud storage if possible. Include your database, all store files, and media like product images. This is your safety net if anything goes wrong during migration. You can never have too many backups for a project this important. 3. Set up your development environment. This step is crucial and worth spending extra time on. You'll need to create a separate development environment where you can work without affecting your live store. For the latest Magento 2, your technical requirements include a solid Linux operating system. Ubuntu 22.04 or Debian 12 works particularly well for Magento performance. You'll need Apache 2.4 or newer, or alternatively Nginx 1.22+, which many developers prefer for its speed. PHP 8.1 or 8.2 is essential. Magento 2 won't run optimally on older versions. Make sure you have all the required PHP extensions installed like Eintel, SOAP, Zip, and GD. For the database, MySQL 8.0 or MariaDB 10.6 or higher provides the best performance. Elasticsearch 7.17 or OpenSearch is necessary for the catalog search functionality to work properly. Don't forget about tools like Composer for managing dependencies and Git for version control. Having a proper staging environment with these specifications will make testing much more reliable before you go live. 4. Check your extensions. Make a list of all the extensions you currently use. Check if they're available for Magento 2, and if not, research alternatives with similar functionality. Some extensions might be available, but they work quite differently in Magento 2. Consider this an opportunity to evaluate which extensions you truly need. Many stores find they can simplify their setup by focusing on core functionality rather than maintaining dozens of extensions. 5. Plan for custom features. If your store has custom features or code, you'll need to decide how to handle them. Identify what makes your store unique and what customers use. In most cases, rebuilding custom features specifically for Magento 2 is more effective than trying to convert old code. Focus on maintaining the functionality your customers rely on while taking advantage of Magento 2's improved architecture. 6. Use the data migration tool. Magento provides an official data migration tool that helps move your core data. This tool transfers your products, categories, customer accounts, order history, and store configurations from Magento 1 to Magento 2. The migration happens in stages: first settings, then main data, and finally any incremental changes that happened during the migration process. Following the tool's documentation closely will help ensure a smooth data transfer. 7. Update your store design. Unfortunately, themes can't be automatically transferred from Magento 1 to Magento 2 due to fundamental differences in the platforms. You'll need to choose a new Magento 2 theme or rebuild your current design for the new platform. Use this opportunity to refresh your branding and ensure your site works perfectly on mobile devices. A responsive design is no longer optional. It's essential for today's shoppers. 8. Test everything. Before going live, test your new store thoroughly. Navigate through product pages, test the entire checkout process with different payment methods. Verify that customer accounts work correctly, and check your site on various devices and browsers. Pay special attention to your most important products and customer journeys. Finding and fixing problems now is much better than discovering issues after launch when they could affect real customers. 9. Review before launch. Conduct a final review focusing on technical details. Make sure URLs redirect correctly from your old site to maintain SEO value. Verify that analytics tracking works properly so you don't lose valuable data. Check page loading speeds across the site and ensure all email notifications are sending correctly. This final review prevents common issues that could affect your customer's experience or your store's visibility in search results. 10. Go live. When you're ready to launch, choose a time when fewer customers are shopping, typically late evening or early morning. Activate a maintenance mode message to inform visitors, then make the switch to your new store. Watch your site carefully for the first few days after launch. Have a rollback plan ready just in case you encounter any serious issues that need immediate attention. Common challenges and next steps. During migration, watch out for common challenges like data inconsistencies, performance issues, extension compatibility problems, and SEO concerns. Running thorough tests will help you catch these issues early. For details on the latest Magento 2.4.8 features, check out our dedicated video linked in the description. After migration, continue monitoring your site performance. Stay updated with security patches and keep improving based on customer feedback. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget about our Magento 2.4.8 video for all the details on the latest features. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your migration.